Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. When you watch this video, I will be in New York having the time of my life. So if you don't already follow me on Instagram, you will have seen all the behind the scenes, and I am vlogging, but that'll be next week. So it's all coming. But if you do want to see what I'm getting up to, make sure to follow me on my Instagram. I'll pop my handle here. And you can see some of these outfits styled up. Hopefully I will have already posted some of the outfits that I'm wearing, but I did think for today's video I could go through with you what I'm packing for New York, outfits I'm going to be wearing, a little bit of inspo for your city breaks if you're going on them, that kind of vibe. And I do need to pack, and this is giving me the motivation to actually pack, and I do need to try everything on. So it's like a two-in-one, like I'm doing myself a favour and I'm doing you guys a favour. So without further ado, cozy up, grab yourself a cup of tea, and let's talk through my New York outfits together. So first things first, I actually picked up a new jacket from Boohoo. So suede, if you don't already know, is like the best thing ever. I'm obsessed with it, suede and burgundy. So a lot of this is, we've got a lot of suede, we've got a lot of fur, and we've got little drips and drabs of burgundy. So this is a nice little suede jacket from Boohoo. I love the big pockets, I love the collar detailing and the zip. I feel like a lot of this is like jacket focused. I feel like a lot of the time in autumn the jacket is the outfit, so don't mind that the entirety of this haul is just jackets. This may as well call this jackets haul. I got a lot of good jackets. I feel like I am the jacket queen. I have so many jackets, it's ridiculous, but I couldn't say no to this one. I picked this up in a UK 8, just so it was a little bit oversized. It's like a bomber. The colouring's beautiful. It matches my chestnut Uggs beautifully. I'm going to wear this with like a white tank top, blue jeans, and some chestnut Uggs. That's the vibe. So here's that jacket on. I think it's so cute. It definitely looks a lot more expensive than it actually was. I'm pretty sure, I want to say like £35, which isn't even crazy for a jacket. This is so soft as well. It's like a faux suede. We know suede's in. I love the collar. I like the big pockets on the front as well. Just styling it with a vest and some like darker blue jeans and my Uggs, and it literally just looks so cute. Such a casual outfit. I feel like this going to like a cafe, walking around. I don't even know if I'm going to need the jacket because it is forecasted like 20 to 25 degrees, which is unreal. I can't wait because I feel like I can wear my boots and skirts and stuff and it's going to be so autumnal. But on a day maybe where it's a little bit more chilly, I don't know. It's not like it's a heavy jacket, so I feel like I'll be fine. But this looks so cute. I kind of wish you could probably see it full length because the Uggs in combination, this is so Pinterest. This is something I would see on my Pinterest page. And I'm absolutely here for it. This is so cute, and Boohoo have absolutely smashed it with this jacket. I love it. One of my favourite finds this autumn is this H&M fur coat with this like leopard print detailing to it. I love it. This with some black jeans, some chocolate Uggs. I actually picked up a new pair of Uggs, so they're going to be swiftly in the suitcase. I just thought this fur jacket would look so gorgeous, and it's something that I can re-wear. It's just a staple. However, I do have another fur coat, so it's gonna be 2 fur coats in the suitcase. I don't know how we're gonna, I might have to wear one. But we'll figure that out. Here is that jacket on. I am simply obsessed. I'm so upset that this is out of stock because you guys literally need it. So check your local store because I mean, I did get this online. I did have to get it in a small, but I'm kind of glad because it's super oversized and it's just how I like it. I feel like it's got like a really subtle like leopard print to it. I'm just styling it with a white tank. I'd probably wear a black top to be honest, but I feel like you can't see it anyway. These black jeans are Bershka, and my new Uggs. I got some Ugg chocolate Taz and they're literally the best thing ever. So I've just got them on with this, and I feel like this is just going to be, again, like an outfit I can just walk around in. I'm probably going to be way too hot in this fur coat, but with my job it's like picture focused obviously, so even if I just get a picture in the jacket and then if it's too hot I can just carry the jacket, it doesn't really matter. But I just feel like this is so fashionista. Whenever I wear this jacket I always get so many compliments, and no wonder because it's literally unreal. If I saw someone in this jacket I would literally, the jaw would be dropped. So I'm so glad I got my hands on it, and I just feel like it looks really cute. But I'm definitely going to be too hot, but fashion first, hey. My vlog girls will have already seen this. I picked up this I Heart New York top from Sisters and Seekers, and I also got the matching little shorts. These say I Heart New York on the waistband at the back, but it's like a pretzel. So cute, such an unreal set. Very like not me, but it's very New York-esque. I'm gonna look like an absolute tourist. And to pair with that, I got a suede jacket from Sisters and Seekers. I actually got this in a 2XS, and I was worried that it was gonna be super small, but it's really oversized. I'm so glad I got a 2XS because anything bigger than this would have looked silly. So I'm so happy with this. Like I said, it's suede, it's almost padded. It's very like lightweight, but also I feel like this would keep you super warm. I love Sisters and Seekers, definitely my faves. And my code Cindy10 actually gets you 10% off on the Sisters and Seekers website. So the more you know. This is one of my fave outfits that I put together. Kind of not very me, but I don't know, I just wanted to dip into something a little bit different. So it's this Sisters and Seekers little set. It says I Heart New York on the top, and the little shorts say it as well. I've just paired it with this suede jacket that's also from Sisters and Seekers, and these little boots I got on ASOS. I feel like this is going to be the most weather appropriate outfit, but I don't know, it just doesn't feel very me. But I do really, really love it. I love this top, like it's screaming tourist, but also cute. And this jacket is insane. I could wear this jacket just with the tank top and some other jeans as well, so it's very versatile. It's going to be working in the wardrobe. What a slay. Another fur coat. This is my beloved Zara fur coat. I got this a couple of years ago and it's just the best thing ever. I love it. I love it. And the other thing about this fur coat as well, it smells so beautiful. Like you spray on perfume on it once and it's on there for life. So definitely bringing this with me, and I'm gonna style it with my burgundy cap. I have like a burgundy, where is it? Here she is. I have a burgundy cap, and I thought that with the fur coat, this is just gonna look so cute. And I can literally wear this with any of my outfits, like any tracksuits I'm taking with, just like chilling in the evening or whatever. I feel like a fur coat and a cap combo is so cool. I love it. This little tank top is working overtime in my New York wardrobe, but I've just got on this big fur coat from Zara and my little burgundy cap just to incorporate the colour of the season. I will also probably grab a burgundy bag with this, something like that. Feel like walks around Central Park. There is some days that are a little bit cooler and cloudy, so that's where the fur coats will be introduced. See, I love this outfit. I love this so much. How cute would this be if I could go ice skating? It's not the season for it, but like this in the winter ice skating, oh, I'm obsessed. Yeah. I love the fact that this tank top is doing absolute overtime in my wardrobe. It's the best thing ever. But yeah, I think this is one of my favourite outfits that I'm going to be wearing. I'm also taking this little jacket from H&M. I love the colour of this. I feel like this in like a coffee shop, something really cute and casual, just some jeans and a top. I love it. I love the colour. I like the buttons down the side. I hope you can see. So cute. I do feel like my outfits are very jacket focused, which is kind of good because if I've got the same base, it means that I don't have to pack as much, even though my coats are literally bulky. I'm literally taking 2 fur coats, but that's besides the point. I've not even begun to put it in the suitcase yet. But this video is helping me out because I can kind of visualise how everything looks. So I've just got the same base on with this H&M little jacket. I love the colour of this jacket. I feel like this is going to be something that I'm just going to chuck on at all times because it's really light, it's really cute. I love the sleeves on this jacket. I've got my UGG Tassie Mustard Seed on and the colour match is incredible. I can just see myself go for some breakfast in this, go for some lunch. Oh, I'm just so excited. Here's the jacket a little bit closer up so you can see like the buttons and the pockets, so cute. And another suede coat is going to be absolutely coming with. I love this. This is H&M as well. It's like a trench coat, suede, so gorgeous. This is just gonna really elevate a really basic outfit and I'm so excited. This is probably my favourite outfit that I'm taking and I'm so excited to wear it. Here is that white tank again. Seriously, when I say it's doing overtime, it's doing it overtime. I cannot forget to pack this white tank because it's seriously in most of my outfits, but this is definitely one of my faves. I've just got on these darker blue denim Zara jeans, those Zara tank, this suede coat, which is so on trend. This is H&M, and I've got some suede boots on to match. Why do I feel like an absolute one man in this? I just feel like this is honestly probably the nicest outfit. I love it. I love this so much. Do you know how much I was like screaming when this coat was delivered? I love this coat so much. So I'm so glad it's going to get its debut in New York, and I feel like this is the epitome of a New York fit. Like when I go on Pinterest, these are the kind of outfits that I see, and honestly, the boots, the coat, the suede, oh, insane. And I also have another suede cord. See, I feel like I've got a lot of suede going on. Am I overdoing the suede? I don't know. But I have these little shorts, well, it's a skirt, in this like gorgeous tan suede, and a matching little shirt as well. I just feel like them together with some tan boots, it's gonna look cute. I just don't know if it's too much suede, and it's really annoying because you girlies aren't gonna be able to tell me. It's gonna be too late. This is the final little outfit I was gonna take, but now I've put it on, I'm very unsure about it, and the skirt is a little bit too big, but it's this suede cord from ASOS, and I've just got these brown boots on from Zara. I'm really not sure about this, and it's annoying because this video I'm going to post when I'm already there, so you can't even help me out. I don't know if to put it on my Instagram and ask you guys what you think, but it's because the skirt doesn't fit, I feel like, and I don't know, I thought I'd love it a lot more. Like, the boots are amazing, but yeah, I'm just not obsessed with the cord. Maybe I need to watch this footage back and kind of see, because this is exactly how I'd style it. I don't know. Airport fits are always something that you have to remember. And I'm gonna wear this gorgeous little cord from a couture club in this chocolate brown colour. And this is something obviously I can wear when I'm actually in New York, maybe in the evenings, if we nip out for a pizza, you know, like a more casual night. Obsessed. I love this so much, and it matches the chocolate brown Taz to a T. I also have this burgundy jacket. I'm just gonna put it on over the set just to show you, because I'm not really sure what to wear it with. I'm thinking like a darker denim jean, a tank top, or something like that, but I can't even get it on. I'm kind of on the fence about it, so I don't know if I'm gonna take it with. And I do feel like I have a lot of jackets coming with, so I'm gonna see if it kind of fits in the case, and obviously it would not be wearing it with this, but just so you can kind of see the jacket on. I love the colour of it, and obviously burgundy is like the colour of the season, and I actually don't feel like I'm taking pretty much anything burgundy except for my burgundy cap and like burgundy accessories, so I kind of do want to take a burgundy jacket, and this is the only one that I've got, so I don't know if to just take it, if I wear it, if I don't, it doesn't really matter. Hopefully it fits in the case. I just wanted to show you it. So here it is. But yeah, they are all the noteworthy outfits I'm going to be taking to New York. You're definitely going to see these styled up on my Instagram. If you don't already follow me over on there, make sure you do. Like I said, lots of behind the scenes. I'm already in New York when you're watching this, so you can get a little taster of what I've been up to, and there is a vlog coming, which is really fun. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope it gave you a little bit of inspo if you're going on a city break, or like if you just wanted to see the outfits that I was wearing. You went a little nosy. Now, off camera, I gotta go and actually put this stuff in a suitcase, but I'm so glad I can visually see it all. I've tried it all on, I know how it looks, I know what I don't like, I know what I like. I'm gonna put all the accessories together, I'm gonna be super organised. So wish me luck. But I hope you enjoyed today's video anyway, and I'll hopefully see you again in my next one. See you in New York. Bye guys.